Hi! If you saw my recent video, you just saw that I was waiting for a package to arrive, and it did. So I'm gonna open this completely from the very first moment with you, and we're gonna see if I like this. This is my first Louis Vuitton purchase from the store in a very long time. Nothing has really appealed to me much, and this sort of did it for me, I think. So I'm gonna give it a try. I think it might be too small, but we're gonna see. So let's first off open this up. First, we have the receipt. Make sure everything's here. It is. This is a bag that is still on pre-launch. They had a certain amount available for pre-launch, and it will not be actually available for regular launch until on the 18th is when it will be available. It looks like I got some perfume samples. Nice. Won't even try to pronounce them. Oh, Pacific Chill, I can do that. They're both Pacific Chill, which is nice because I'd like to try that. I love that they're spray too. Right in my eyeball. I like that. I actually like that a lot. So, I'm happy to have that. Okay, here we go. Here's the box. I haven't done an unboxing in so long. This is crazy. Okay, we're just gonna open this guy. Let's see what we have. Let me get it. It's actually heavier than I thought. Let's see. Oh my gosh, it is really small. Okay, here we go. Oh, I got a catalog, that's why. Nice. Here we are. It's cute. This is the new Saumur Bb. Do you remember the Saumur from the past with the two sides? It's a little baby BB of the Saumur. It has an outside pocket. Okay, let's get into this. Look at how darling this is. It's just adorable. Okay, we'll have to see what fits and what doesn't, but let's first look at it. It's got this adorable handle that can be used with other bags. I could use this with my pochette Matisse, anything. So I love that about it. It's removable. Fantastic. This looks like a buckle, but it's not. It's a magnetic. And this is so good. The back pocket that fits my phone. So wonderful. Let's look inside. Let's get the magnetic. It has a crossbody strap, which I love. Perfect. We have the little cards. This one is made in Italy, which is appropriate because I'll be heading there soon. I'm excited about that trip. This interior is really cute. I like how it's light colored so you can find your things. Not that there's a lot you could lose in here, but still. And it looks like it's two separate sections, but it's not. It's just the one. Oh my gosh, it is so cute. Okay, so here is the strap. This does say Louis Vuitton Paris. And this is the crossbody strap. Very adjustable. How fun. Okay, great. I love it. I would probably want it at its lowest because it could be shoulder. And I think at its longest, it can be 20 inches if I'm not mistaken. I'll have to put all the information of that. I'll have to put all that information here for you when I measure. But I would like it to probably be the longest for crossbody, which I believe is a total of a little over 20 inches, 20 point something. Yes, that would be perfect for me for crossbody. But they have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 holes. Usually it's around 5. So 9 holes gives you a lot of possibilities. I love carrying bags in the crook of my arm. So it's so nice to have that little strap. How cute. It doesn't get in the way. Let's see what will fit in this guy. This is the bag I'm currently using. And as you can see, it's a lot larger, even though it's the little mini, it's a lot larger than this. So we'll see of the things in here, what I can get in there that I really need. And let's see if it's enough. I did check to see, I'm filming on my phone right now, but I took it off the thing to stick it in here and it fits perfectly. It's the iPhone 14 Pro Max. So the Max bigger size fits perfectly in this little spot here, which is ideal. Okay, in this bag currently, I have sunglasses, my keys, this little pouch. It has various, things in it. And this I use as my wallet currently. And that's it. That's what I have in here. Okay, let's see what we can do. So I'm thinking that I will use this in the way that I use any of my other tiny little bags, such as my little mini Gucci and my mini Chanel and those type of things, where I put the bare minimum, but there's still room for the things I really need. So we're gonna go with that and then see if there's anything else that really works after all that's in. So the phone most definitely fits. I love that. Let's see, car keys. Now, I don't need to have this pouch. I absolutely love this Gucci pouch, but I can take it out of the pouch and just do the keys. So let's just see what it does with the pouch for now. Okay, let's see here. Okay, that takes up an awful lot of the bag. Okay, but there's still room. Wallet, I don't have to have a wallet, but this is a tiny one. I just keep my most important, easy to grab things here, and then cash and other cards and receipts and whatnot that I want to keep in there. Like it a lot. I love this. So let's put that in. Okay. Now, of the things that are in here, things I would want the most would be a lip product, like with color, a chapstick for sure, possibly a face powder that has a mirror. The rest is just duplicate stuff. Like I have a pen. I don't know that I need a pen in there. A hair thing, more chapstick, more lip products. Holy cow, I have 6. I have 6 chapsticks in this bag. Not necessary. Okay. And a little shea butter thing for like cuticles, that type of thing. And that's it. That's all that was in here. So of that, I certainly don't need 6 chapsticks. So if I choose a lip product with a color, I like my Glossier. That's a good one. My Glossier Fuzz is almost always in my bag, or my Merit Baby, the color Baby. Love it. It's just one of those you can use for anything and all times. And then my Merit Gloss in Mapleton goes over anything or by itself. Love it. So there's that. And then 1 chapstick will suffice. So let's just see what that does. Okay. Let's go with the Glossier in the Merit. And then sunglasses. So I have my wallet, my key pouch, which is taking up quite a bit of space, 2 lip products, sunglasses, and then my phone back here. Adorable, darling, I absolutely love it. The only thing that doesn't really leave me any room for is just a hair clip, which I rarely ever need. My face powder, which again, I don't use. I mostly use the mirror, and I have that in my car with me, so that's not a big deal. And maybe I might want this in there, which I'm sure there's plenty of space for that. Yes. no problem. Now, if I take out the key thing, which takes up a lot of the bag, and I remove the keys from it, that makes a huge difference. Okay, now I can fit my face powder, my hair clip, my pen. If I wasn't scared to death it would get marks all over the thing, and my sunglasses, all of that fits. Okay, I think I might be in love with this. I really do. I think this might just be absolutely amazing. So cute. Let's do some modeling shots. So here she is. I'm so excited. I think I'm really liking this more than I thought I would even. The size will be the only issue. It's a little small, but it's bigger than some of my other bags that are small. So I still think it's going to be something I will really enjoy. So I'm gonna give this a try, see what I think. Be sure to let you know. And there she is in all her cute glory. Talk to you guys later. Thanks. Bye.